Most valves use some form of packing to prevent the leakage from the space between the stem and the bonnet. Packing is commonly a fibrous material such as flax, or another compound such as Teflon, more commonly known as PTFE. These compounds form a seal between the internal parts of the valve and the outside, where the stem extends through the body. Now take a look at the following 3D animation. It shows the packing replacement of a typical gate valve. The packing is seen here. It is made of Teflon or PTFE. To replace the packing, first we unscrew the packing gland, remove the cover and remove the packing. Then replace it with a new one. Put the cover back and tighten the packing gland to compress the packing against the bonnet. The compression of the packing against the bonnet is very critical. Valve packing must be properly compressed to prevent fluid loss and damage to the valve stem. If the valve packing is too loose, the valve will leak, which is a safety hazard. And if the packing is too tight, it will impair the movement and possibly damage the stem.